Hi everyone, welcome to Mr. Dear Docs channel. Coming sessions we'll discuss about TypeScript language. Nowadays, TypeScript is one of the most popular programming language which is maintained and developed by Microsoft. TypeScript is mainly used with Angular 2 and React.js. In our upcoming sessions, we'll discuss about every detail about TypeScript. In this session, we will see about TypeScript data types. For these upcoming sessions, I am going to use TypeScript Playground, which is available in the online. This is our TypeScript Playground, which we are going to write all our programming. For example, today in this session, we will try to discuss about types. Mainly, in the TypeScript, mainly we are going to use string, number, array and boolean. Mainly in the TypeScript, we will use string, boolean, number and array. In this session, we will see how to declare these data types. For example, I am going to declare an interface. I am naming it as employee. We will utilize this interface for further extension. Just assume an employee contains employee ID, which is a type of number, and the property should ends with semicolon. Employee name colon, employee name always a string. Then we'll declare a string type. Salary. In this TypeScript, there is no float, decimal or anything. For any kind of numerical values, we are going to use number type only. Okay. As we discussed, we declared a string employee, a string which is an employee name, a number is an employee ID, salary is a number type, and I'm going to define a boolean variable is in IT boolean. This employee belongs to IT department or not. These are the four data types which will be currently more popular in TypeScript. And as we discussed, I'm going to declare an array as well. Let take a constant. Assume we are going to define list of employees, in the sense array of employees. We have a strict type, that is employee, which is an array. Array will starts like this. Now I am going to define two array objects. If you observe, our strict syntax type checking started. If you overrun this, we can see that a type is missing the following properties from the type employee. Means this object is expecting employee ID, employee name, salary isn't boolean property. Let me go back to our slide. As we discussed, TypeScript is a programming language developed and maintained by Microsoft. It is a strict syntactical superset of JavaScript and optional static typing, in the sense if we start typing, if we declare a type and start defining it, then it will suggest us, means the TypeScript suggests us and correct us the strict type syntactical type checking. If you press Control space, you could see this employee's object is expecting employee ID, employee name isn't salary. Let us assign the values. Employee ID is 1, employee name, it's a string type, Krishna, and control salary 1000 is in IT, true. Let me define one more object, employee ID 2, employee name Rama, salary 2000. Okay, I just missed one more property to assign, that is in IT or not. If you over on it, the TypeScript is going to suggest us the property is in IT is missing in type. Let me go on assign the is in IT or not. False. Is not belongs to is IT. As we discussed, the TypeScript mainly have four types, that is string, boolean, number and array. Employee ID is a number, employee name is a string, salary is a number, and is in IT is a boolean. As we discussed, we defined a list of employees. Okay. In the upcoming session, we'll discuss about what is this constraint, and we'll discuss about optional parameters and optional functions, how to define a function with optional parameters, and we'll discuss about the list of extension methods available on the types as well. For example, okay, if you see this, right, this is an array type. As we discussed, we have a list of employees. We'll discuss about extension methods as well in our upcoming sessions. Extension methods in the sense, employees is our list of employees object. If you type dot, then you can see the list of extension methods are available. For example, concat is one of the extension method. Concat, copy within, entries, every. In the sense, we'll discuss about each and every extension method available in the array, string, number, boolean in our upcoming sessions. In this session, we discussed about the declaring of interface and assigning list of employees along with the types as well. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, Mr. DR Docs, for more information.